Come style my clients wash and go with me using Ecoslay Jello Shot. So first things first is we have to properly cleanse her hair. If the hair is not properly cleansed, when that old product touches that new product, it's going to make a mess. Now, me personally, I cleanse my clients twice, but that's my business, not yours. So next thing is that we got to make sure that the curls are properly hydrated. Using Ecoslay's Banana Cream Deep Conditioner weekly is going to result in more moisture retention, which means better definition and longevity when it comes to your wash and go. Now, I like to leave a little bit of that deep conditioner in as my leave-in, and I follow up with the moonshine oil. Adding oil before applying the Jello shot will soften that hold up some. Now for the main event, the Jello shot. Y'all, when I tell you this gel is something serious, it's something serious. So you got to start off with taking small sections, making sure you re-moisturize using water. Then I'm taking a little bit of that Jello shot and just going in small sections, y'all. You see how small I'm working? Now, this is a softer texture that she has in the back, but as you can see, where her hair is more dense and more coarse, I'm still taking small sections, really working that Jello shot through. Here I am again saturating the hair before applying the Jello shot, y'all. You cannot be scared to pick up that water bottle and re-wet that hair. All right, so there's a little bulk of product right here. I'm going to work through, that way everything dries evenly. For very dense, coarse hair, it is best to sit underneath the dryer all the way and dry, and here is the outcome. Hair is hydrated, shine is good, and curls are defined.